So we're leaving our house and we're going to show you guys how close and scary this tornado was to our home. Just actually a few houses down. Praying for all these people that lost their roofs and their homes. Thank God that nobody got seriously injured. There's trees down. Gosh, look at that. Look at this tree. That's our neighbors. Look at all these trees. Fences are down. Cops are still here. Look at all these trees. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. So sad. Oh gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. They lost, their house is just totaled. Fences are down. Look at that back there. Oh gosh. These are our neighbors. It's so sad. So that's our street. Praying for those that have had all this damage done to their homes. Thank God there was no more injuries.